Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are diving into a hot debate that's been going on in the data world. Power BI versus Tableau. If you're a student, data analyst, or someone just vibing with data dashboards, this one's for you. We're gonna break it down by features, pricing, learning curve, job market, and finally answer the golden question, which tool is better in 2025? So grab your chai, coffee, or Red Bull and let's get started. So here's a quick intro. Power BI is a data visualization and business intelligence tool by Microsoft. Super tight with the whole Microsoft ecosystem. Think Excel, Teams, Azure, all that good stuff. Tableau, on the other hand, is from Salesforce. It's been one of the OGs in the database space, known for powerful visuals, flexibility, and strong analytics capabilities. Both let you take raw data and turn it into dashboards, charts, and visual insights. But how do they compare? Let's start with ease of use. Power BI is kinda like that friend who gets along with everyone, especially if you already know Excel. Super beginner friendly, drag and drop, and very intuitive. Tableau is more advanced. More freedom equals more creativity, but learning curve can feel steeper. It's like Photoshop for data. Not impossible, just takes a little more dedication. Verdict? If you're just starting out, Power BI wins this round. Visualizations and customization. This one's tricky because Tableau is known for its next level visuals, clean, interactive, customizable to the core. You want fancy dashboards that look like they belong in Silicon Valley? Tableau delivers. Power BI? It's good, like solid, but sometimes the charts can feel a little Microsofty. Not bad, just not as artistic as Tableau. Verdict? Tableau wins on pure visual creativity. Coming to round 3, integration and ecosystem. Here's where Power BI flexes very hard. It's made by Microsoft, so it plugs seamlessly into Excel, Office 365, SharePoint, Teams, Azure, you name it. If your company is already running on Microsoft tools, Power BI is the obvious choice. Tableau plays well with lots of platforms too, including Google products, AWS, and Salesforce. But Power BI has that smooth in-house integration. Verdict? Power BI takes this one too. Performance and big data. Both tools can handle large data sets, but Tableau has traditionally been better with massive data volumes and complex queries. Power BI is catching up, especially with its premium plans, but sometimes you may hit limits with the free or pro versions. So, verdict? Tableau edges ahead for enterprise level big data work. Pricing. Okay, now let's talk money. Power BI is super budget friendly, and there's a free version for personal use. And the Power BI Pro plan costs around Rs 850 per user per month. And if you go premium, which is Power BI Premium per user, it's around Rs 1700 per user per month. And let's be for real, that's still affordable compared to other tools, especially for students, freelancers, or even startups. Tableau, on the other hand, is kinda on the premium side. Tableau Creator costs around Rs 5200 per user per month. The Viewer and the Explorer roles are cheaper, but even then it's still more expensive than Power BI. Plus, Tableau doesn't totally have free versions unless you're using the 14-day trial. Verdict? If you're looking for something powerful and affordable, Power BI wins the pricing battle. Now, coming to job market and career. If you're wondering which tool should I learn for the best career prospects, here's the tea. Power BI is fire in the industries that use Microsoft tools, which is finance, healthcare, retail, etc. Tons of job postings need Power BI skills. But Tableau is still huge on the data heavy companies, especially in tech, consulting, and marketing. In India, Power BI jobs are more common overall. Globally, both are valuable depending on the sector. Verdict? It's a tie. Depends on your career goals. So here comes the answer to the golden question, who wins in 2025? Honestly, there's no one size fits all. But here's the TLDR. New data or on a budget? Go with Power BI. Want creative freedom and visuals that pop? Tableau is your tool. Want both on your resume? Learn both. Many companies use both tools together. The real power move? Focus on data storytelling. The tool is just the medium. Your insights is what matter the most. And yes, that's it for today. I hope this helped you get a clearer picture of Power BI versus Tableau and maybe even helped you pick your next learning path. Honestly, whichever tool you choose, just keep exploring and practicing. Data tools change, but data thinking, that's forever.